Namaste. Welcome to Glishon Concept Teaching. In this class, we are going to solve the numerical problem of the lesson 10th standard NCERT syllabus. First, let's read the problem. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? Now, first let me say the meaning of this question. See here, in this question, how many resistors we have? We have 5 resistors and they are connected in series. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 resistors and they are connected in series across a 9 volt battery. Across a 9 volt battery. And we know that when a resistor is connected to the battery, the current it starts to flow. Right? Then this resistor is of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm. And in the question what they told us to find out? How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? Means we have to find out how much current it is flowing through this 12 ohm resistor. To find out this, first concentrate clearly on this sentence. We have connected these resistors in series. When the resistors are connected in series, then there will be no distribution of current. It means the current flow through each resistor is same. Means how much current it is passing through 0.2 ohm, same current it is passing through 0.3 ohm and same current it will pass through 12 ohm because we have connected it in series. So there will be no distribution of current. The current through the circuit remains the same. Now let's solve this. Now first let me write what is given in the problem. What is given? Battery of 9 volt and the resistors are R1 is how much? 0.2 ohm. R2 is how much? 0.3 ohm and R3 is 0.4 ohm. R4 is 0.5 ohm and R5 is 12 ohm. And what we have to find out? The current flow through 12 ohm resistor. And I already told you that the current flows through each resistor is same because we are connected them in series. Therefore, find out I is equal to how much? We know Ohm's law. V is equal to R into I. By using this formula, we can find out I. That is V by R is equal to I. We can find out the current flows through the circuit by using this formula. See here they have given 5 resistors and they are connected in series. So first what we have to do? We have to find out the R equivalent because they have given more than one resistor. So we have to find out the R equivalent. And since they are connected in series, we will write R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. that is R equivalent is equal to R1 is how much? 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12. Add this, it will become 13.4, or else you can see here 0.2 plus 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 plus 12 is how much? 5 plus 4, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 plus 1, 3. That is 13.4 ohm. R equivalent is 13.4 ohm. Now substitute this value in this equation. That is I is equal to V by R equivalent. V is how much? 9 volt. 9 divided by R equivalent is 13.4 ohm. Now to remove this decimal point, I will multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. That is I is equal to 9 into 10 divided by 13.4 into 10. What it will become? 90 divided by 13.4 into 10 is how much? 134.0. That is 13.4 into 10 is how much? 134.0. So we will write only 134. 134. Now divide this 90 whole divided by 134. After dividing 90 divided by 134, we will get 0.6716 ampere. You can see the calculation here, and we will write it as approximately 0.67 ampere. That is, the current flow through each resistor is 0.67 ampere. Since they have asked for the particular resistors 12 ohm, the current flows through 12 ohm resistor is how much? 0.67 ampere. Hope you have understood. Thank you.